like rivers, they twist and turn. Echoes of truth we've yet to learn. In the quiet space between, I hear what's felt but never seen. Whispers between worlds call my name. A voice of love through the veil of change. Every word becomes a prayer. Every breath a truth we share. Silence speaks, it knows my soul. It teaches me to let control. Through tangled thoughts I find my way, where heart and mind can softly play. Beyond the noise I start to hear